Morning, Gear 4 English. This is your task for today. It's similar to the task yesterday in that you have a text to read and then you have a set of questions to answer here. So you've got different kinds of questions. You've got short questions like this one, find and copy one word. So you can just copy that word there. And multiple choice ones, again, one word. But as the text goes on, there's a couple that you need to give slightly longer answers to. And when it says use evidence, this is important. It's got that for more than one question. You need to try and put a quote from the text. So the question is, how would Jenny Pierce feel if she was a whale at Sea Parks? Use evidence from the text. So you can say, for example, I think she would feel sad if she was a whale at Sea Park because in the text she uses the word crying, and this shows that she would be feeling sad. That's not the right answer, it's just an example. So you say what you think, you put the evidence, and then you can explain why you chose this evidence for your answer. So if it says use evidence, I'd really like to see everyone include a quote, one word or a small phrase from the text to explain your answer. So there's a couple of questions like that. Just be careful with the words in bold. If it says find and copy one word, do not write a sentence. It's just one word. Here it says list 3 arguments. That's 3 different arguments, 3 different reasons she uses to persuade people. Just again to quickly look at the text, it's a formal letter, so we'll talk more about the features of those next time, but just start to become familiar with the style of writing, the purpose of the writing, and that's going to be useful for the next few lessons. Towards the end of the week, we're going to link that to the poem that we answered questions about yesterday, and eventually we'll be writing our own letters.